Don't
I'll make a video.
Oh, okay. Wait, now I look stupid. Erase that.
No.
Oh man, want to see my belly button?
Let me get my butterscotch back in my mouth.
Do I?
Go ahead.
No, it's cool. I'm very shy about my belly button.
Want to see some nice cleavage?
Don't you
Come on, Travis! Flash the camera.
5-star cleavage.
5-star?
Yeah.
Academy Award winner.
Wow.
Mustache.
Wow.
I did not.
I didn't say you had a mustache.
What?
I just said mustache.
That's not even the right
No, they sing too.
Hey.
That's freaking amazing.
Okay.
Hey.
Get the picture!
Oh, get a video.
It's on video. Oh my God. Ow.
My rack was harassed right now.
You know that felt good.
Touch it! No! Touch it!
I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video, Jake.
Why are you taking a video for?
Because I feel like I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Hey, you should
I'm the devil?
Britain getting plowed by some...
Oh, you mean the one that's on the internet?
The one that Brittany getting plowed?
No, on TV. On the newspaper.
Oh. I don't know, are you being sarcastic here? I'm not very good with sarcasm. What do you...
Yeah, okay, I'll go.